Ever wondered if you can turn that plastic Visa gift card into digital cash within Venmo? Let's find out. First, let's tackle the most direct method, trying to add your Visa gift card directly to your Venmo account as a funding source. Open your Venmo app and navigate to the section where you manage your payment methods. This is usually found by tapping your profile picture or the menu icon. Look for an option like Add Bank or Link a Card. When you're prompted to enter your card information, you'll want to input the details from your Visa gift card, the card number, expiration date, and the security code on the back. Now, here's the crucial part for most Visa gift cards, especially those that aren't reloadable or linked to a bank account. Venmo will likely reject them. This is because Venmo typically requires a debit card linked to a bank account or a traditional credit card as a funding source. Prepaid gift cards, like many Visa gift cards, are usually excluded from this direct function. So, what are your alternatives if you want to use your Visa gift card funds on Venmo? One common method involves using your gift card to load money onto a different digital wallet or service that Venmo can link to. For example, you might be able to add funds from your gift card to a PayPal account or a prepaid debit card that is compatible with Venmo. Another approach is to use your Visa gift card for everyday purchases where you would normally spend cash, and then use the money you've saved onto your Venmo account from your usual bank account. Think of it as a way to manage your spending. Use the gift card for groceries or smaller buys, freeing up your regular bank funds for your Venmo transactions. Your best bet is to check the terms and conditions of your specific Visa gift card. Some specialized or reloadable Visa gift cards might have different rules. Though it's uncommon, you can usually find this information on the back of the card or by visiting the gift card issuer's website. While directly adding most Visa gift cards to Venmo isn't supported, exploring secondary digital wallets or strategic spending can help you utilize those funds within the Venmo ecosystem.